Good day, everybody. This is Bill Waller here in Rockport, Massachusetts, wanting to talk to you about Earth and Space Science education. Let me share my screen and start my slide presentation. So the title of my brief presentation is Integrating Earth and Space Science Education in Our Schools. I'm trying to make the case that both of these topics are worthy and are worthy of being taught together. Together they will be stronger in our schools. So already Earth and Space Sciences are bundled oftentimes in middle school in the United States and into high school. And you can see this with the basic sciences that are taught, the physical sciences, the life sciences, and the earth and space sciences. So it has the high formal priority. Other countries, other than the United States, don't. They tend to opt for the typical holy trinity of biology, chemistry, and physics. But at least in the United States and other countries, there is a formal prioritization of earth and space science already bundled and coordinated. But the actual reality is much different even in states in the United States, many states in the United States. Earth and space sciences are seriously undertaught. And you can see that with this histogram of job opportunities for teachers at the high school level. And you can see that lots of biology teachers, lots of chemistry teachers, lots of physics teachers, but very few earth and space science teachers being solicited. So the job market doesn't reflect the public interest, as we know, or the national and state mandates. So clearly we've got our work to do. Some of this is associated with the way astronomy in particular is taught. In college, it's usually taught as part of a physics program, physics departments. Most astronomy programs are found in physics departments or in physics and astronomy departments. But there are very few earth and space science programs actually, and earth science programs as well. So that might be one reason is that in order to get into earth and space science education, you have to first take a physics major, and that's not really necessary. Okay, so that's some of the cultural underpinnings. The scientific underpinnings are kind of obvious, beginning with this big experiment that's taking place, a human-caused experiment where the sun irradiates the Earth's surface. The Earth responds by warming up and radiates in the infrared. The infrared radiation then gets trapped by greenhouse gases, which we are adding to. And so we end up getting global warming. So this is a photochemical experiment that involves both earth and space science. It's the ideal interdisciplinary topic that is very worthwhile being taught these days. So I call you to action to seriously consider bundling earth and space science education, beginning with your own institutions, but also in the larger institutions. So identify and coordinate institutional stakeholders in the earth and space sciences, like NASA's obviously one, but also the IAU, talking with the American Geophysical Union and its international counterparts. They should be coordinating more. Establish integrated degree programs in the earth and space sciences. These degree programs would also have educator tracks, so people could become well-versed in the earth and space sciences and also in education pedagogy. This could all occur at our colleges and universities. Finally, develop professional certificate courses and workshops in the earth and space sciences for the in-service teachers so they can catch up, because right now about 40% of all earth science teachers have never taken a course in the topic. So we definitely can do better. And so if you're interested, please contact me at williamhwaller@gmail.com. Thank you very much for your attention.